Welcome to Ideas with B, where people share their interesting business projects. I'm B, and if I like your business idea, we can work together. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Store. Cute. Kids. Messy.
Hi, B. I'm Marie, and I have an idea for kids and money. It's a tiny cash register for kids to play with, but it actually works with real money.
Oh, interesting. How does the tiny cash register work, Marie?
Kids can use it to keep their change and pretend to run a store. It rings when you open it, just like a real one. It rings when you open it, just like a real one.
Doesn't that sound a bit messy? Real money can be dirty, and kids might lose or hide the cash instead of using it.
But it's a way for kids to learn about money. They can practice counting coins and giving change.
Marie, I see what you mean, but wouldn't it be better if it didn't use real money? Kids might throw coins into pots, under the couch, or even lose them outside. That's annoying for parents.
I understand, but it's about making kids feel responsible for their own tiny store. Isn't it cute? I understand, but it's about making kids feel responsible for their own tiny store. Isn't it cute?
It's cute, but real money with kids feels like trouble. I don't want to work on this project. Sorry, Marie. Thanks for listening to Ideas with B. See you next time.